I've started the works in the house that we bought in Sedilo. There for some time we are gonna be living here, but then it's gonna be our holiday house. You can see it's a mess now, obviously. It's all under renovation because there were lots of things. The walls, as you see, they were all like this, like ruined, so we are starting to fix it. We did already the ceiling painted. Then you see here it's still damaged, loads of damages. Then we are gonna change the floor. The original floor here is like a black and white, but it's broken. You can see here it's broken, and we are gonna change it completely. We are gonna put a color. We already chose the tiles. We are gonna put the color more like a warmer color that goes a little bit better with the floor here, around brownish, because this is the original. We are gonna leave it like this. Here, everything is here. Also, the walls are. We are fixing the walls. This is gonna be like more of, we were thinking about doing a sort of winter garden. We are gonna remove everything from here. Also, this is the ancient boiler, but we will be talking to some experts, like a plumber or experts. They will tell us if it's working, but we don't think it's working. There are some pieces that we see already, they're broken. But I think we are gonna just remove it and we are gonna do everything electric. But this one, we wanted to do a winter garden first, but now maybe we're thinking probably it's gonna be sort of like working laundry area. We're gonna put the washing machine, the dryer, and like all a laundry room, because I like to have a room entirely devoted to laundry. That's a little courtyard where there is a water cistern. We're gonna change the door. Here is a water cistern. There is also the gas cistern, not the gas, the gasoline cistern that obviously we are going to remove, because we are going to remove all the gasoline system. And this little courtyard outside, we are going to put everything electric. So maybe we are going to probably put just some pots. But we are not going to, it's like a more working area, this one. And it's going to stay like this. Then here it's going to be, here too, probably here we're going to put a couch. These two are going to be 2 bedrooms. Then upstairs we haven't started working yet, but we are thinking to make this room bigger, because here there is like on the staircase space, it's a little bit too much. There is a giant hall, so we are gonna close here, and this room will become bigger. There will be like a bigger space for like a larger table and everything. That's the kitchen. We are gonna put the kitchen here, the stove here. Yeah, this was the space of a stove with my grandma. Stove plus a little piece of furniture, which we are not gonna put. We are gonna put, it depends. Let's see the stove, how big it will be. The stove with the gas. We have the fireplace there. It's it will be the sink. Now here, another thing that we are thinking. Here, we are thinking to put the glass floor. all the way to closet, directly to closet. It's gonna be the glass floor, so we can see downstairs, and it will be much bigger because also this terrace is very, very tiny. So we will actually have a large terrace. We are gonna change here. We're gonna put, instead of plastic, I don't know, we're gonna change, we're gonna put maybe wood, I don't know, let's see what they suggest, and we're gonna make it cuter. There is the wall. We're gonna put all the glass ceiling, like downstairs will be the ceiling, here it will be the glass floor, so it will be also like, it will bring light. So I'm very excited that the works have started. Here is the bathroom. We are gonna leave it. For now, the floor here is not damaged, so for now we are gonna leave the floor and also the tiles, because they're very weird, they are very colorful and stuff. They're very ancient because they are the original, but they are cute, sort of cute. We just received the tiles that we are going to put in that room. There was a former living room. It's going to be a bedroom. The room with the floor all ruined. There it's like a black and white, and we chose these tiles. They are warmer color, like sort of like brick color, but light brick color. It's very warm, and it matches the original tiles more than what's in there now, because now there it's black and white, and this is like sort of like a brownish. So we are super excited. We can't wait to see it there. So we reached the end of our video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any tips on how we can renovate the house, or what we can add, or what we can remove, please give them to us, because we are new to this, and we are just starting. Also, if you're looking for tips to travel to Sardinia, to plan your trip to Sardinia, check out sardiniareveal.com for plenty of guides and tips. See you in the next video. Ciao for now.